I'm Amy Hamilton Weldon, Oakwood Nail Spa, Raleigh, North Carolina, and I'm going to tell you how to use cuticle oil. It's used mainly to moisturize your nail and keep them from splitting or peeling and things like that. But I use nail oil for if you put your polish on, you can put nail oil on top. Now it doesn't dry your nails, but when your nails get to that point where they're not wet, but they're not dry yet, they're kind of sticky. And so if you just brush up against something, they might mess up. Nail oil will make them kind of, whatever you touch, just kind of brush off of it instead of sticking to it and making it mess up. And so it's useful in that way too. Nail oils, you want to stay away from nail oils that have mineral oil in them. The mineral oil is not a good thing. Lots of people put it on their faces and everywhere else, and it's really not a good thing. And something you want to be in your nail oil or cuticle oil is vitamin E. Now it seems like I can't find a nail oil with a brush in it. Now they usually have an eyedropper, and so you just take, you don't need a lot, and so you just barely drop a dot like right at the base of the cuticle, and usually it'll run. And what I do is I put one on each nail until I get it all on, and then put the cuticle oil away, and then you can rub it in, or you can just rub it enough to where it's hits all the spots that you want to hit. Okay, those were just some basic tips, but you should always consult a nail professional.